you looking for a great family home in Stittsville? Hi, I'm Jeff McGowan, and I'd like to welcome you to 126 Coyote Crescent. This lovely Richcraft home features a fabulous great room, island kitchen, finished basement, and is sure to please. So come on in and have a look. Thanks for taking the time to visit 126 Coyote Crescent. I hope you like what you saw, and if you did and you'd like to get further information or perhaps to book a private showing, please contact me. Thanks again for taking the time to visit, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.